Welcome to Surplus Bargains YouTube channel. On this channel, we're going to show a lot of different tips and tricks, different things that I might find useful. I'll relay that, and if you find this information useful as well, please like and subscribe. On this episode, you'll see me removing built-up dirt and brake dust from my rims. I'm using a product called Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. And basically, you can see me using a microfiber cloth. And I'm simply just wiping the rims clean. Because about 6 months ago, I used this product on my rims. Basically, it leaves a light film of wax on your rims. And all you really need to do is just simply wipe them clean. Now I'm gonna simply just use some more of the Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish to re-wax the rims so that the next time I go to wipe it off, wipe them clean, I can just wipe them clean again. Just keep in mind you don't need to use a lot on the rag, just a small amount of polish. And you should be good to go. It leaves a light film of wax on your rims so that everything is easily removed next time. I also want to give a shout out to Matt Castillo for supplying the music. Thank you. And we might as well rock out for a second.